what do you mean by custom visuals? So even Power BI has so many visuals built in. So we are going to see some of the custom visuals that you can import from outside. So for that, you can just click on this get more visuals. Here you get an option called as get more visuals. So once you click on those visuals, you will be getting a new tab and it will show you Power BI visuals. But if you want these visuals, you need to sign up. Okay, so I'm talking something about sign up in Power BI. So you need to sign up on this on your email address. But Power BI always asks you to sign up using an organizational email address. Organizational email address. If you do not have an organization email address, you will not be able to use a custom visuals, and you will not be able to use a Power BI service also. Power BI service. So for this, you need any of your organization email address. If you have any college email address, for example, abc at the rate some college it.com, something like that, it also works. Or if you are working as a any company in TCS or Infosys, you can just give a name, for example, j at the rate tcs.com. This also works. If you are not working, if you are not working and if you want to create an organization email, I'll tell you how you can do that in our coming sessions. We will do that. Okay, so now let us imagine we have signed up, and let me click on the get more visuals. So these are all your visuals. Once you get this page, there are hundreds of visuals here. So let me show you few of the visuals actually. So one of the like the one visual or a visual is your word cloud. So if I click on this word cloud, and you need to import this visual in your Power BI. So it will ask you to, shall I add this? Yeah, you can see the details of this all visual. So about pricing and who has published this. So it is of Microsoft's only, and which version and on what date they have updated this. And you can just read more about this visual, and at the end you will be getting the visual in this way. So create fun visuals from frequent text in your data. So let me just click on add. So once you click on add, you will be getting a new visual, that word cloud here. You can see it. So how it is used, let me show you. Let me take this word cloud and let me take any text inside this. You can take country, you can take a product, you can segment any of that. So let me take a country here, and it is asking me for the values. You can see all, it is showing me all countries here. You can see all the countries here. So you can, it is asking me for the values also. So let me put uh, sales numerical value in this field, in this amount, and now you can see that your United States and your Canada, your Germany is showing me the highest like font size. When you look at Mexico, it is showing smaller. So it means that when you compare to other states, Mexico is having a lower sale as compared to other. So you can do it with segment also. So if you want to have to check segment with respect to the sum of the sales, you can see market and channel or enterprise as compared to government is showing you the less sales as compared to all other. So this is how you can play with this word cloud. We're not wasting much time here. We go and fetch more visual. So click on get visuals, and you will be redirecting to this page, and you have uh, like we have an advanced card. We will go with the advanced card. Let me show you one infographic designer. So let me click on this infographic designer, and you can see all details about this chart, like when it was published and whether it is free or not, and who has published this. You can see the publisher is Microsoft, and it is free, and you can just click on, and it is also already certified by Power BI. So you can just click on that, that new page, and rename this page name like, hey, this is my new visual called as a word cloud. Okay, let me rename this. Double click, just a minute. Double click and say, hey, this is my word cloud. Okay, now let me come to page 1, and here let me press and let me type, this is an infographic panel. Okay, infographic chart. So let me click on this infographic designer. So once you take an infographic designer, it is asking me for the category and legend and the measures. So let me do it one by one. So let me take a country. It will be going inside the category. Let me take sales and see what I am able to see it. Yeah. It is showing me the sales country wise. So this is not a new thing. We can do that. We can do that easily by using a by a column chart. What is so unique on this infographic designer? So let me show you. So you can add few more fields in this. Suppose if I take segment, if I select segment, so you can see the ledger is segment now, or let me drag and put that into category here. Okay, let me scroll down. Here you have two more options that are not there in your any of the column chart or cluster column or bar chart. Here you have column by and row by. So we have already taken a country wise data with a segment as a legend. So if I remove this segment, you will be seeing a country wise data with the sum of the sales. So if you just scroll down, here you can see column by. So let me take a field here. Let me take date and put it in column by. Now you can see like how this infographic view, infographic visual plays a very important role. Now it's showing me a small multiple, and you're getting details of the year wise data by column. So you can see column wise the year that is divided into country and that is divided into. So let me remove this date by column and let me put into row. Now you can see, let me take date, drag and drop into the row by. So you will get this row by. So you can see first September you have these sales in this country. If you scroll down, first October, November, December, you do not have any sales. So here in July month you have sale again. In quarter 2, in May you have sale. So this data do not have consistent sales. So that's why you are getting these all. But you can use row by and column by to get more details about. So let me in column and show you. Let me segment. Yeah, you can see here, beautiful. So it is divided your country sales have been divided with segment. So you can see government is this much, small businesses, enterprise, mid market, and your channel partner. So if I put that into a row segment, so you will see a row wise data set. You can see government, small businesses, enterprise, mid market, and channel partner. You can easily find out a sections separated by a segment. Inside a segment, you can see that you have country and the sales amount. So this is how your infographic visual visual works. Thank you for watching this video, guys. So if you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.